Item number 8. I am for the petitioner. This petition become instructor because the petitioner has already got the review.
Item 18, the submissions made by Mr. S. Counsel for the that the petitioner's grievances have been addressed. The petitioner will be infractors, the petition stands dismissed as infractors, interim order stand pending I are also dismissed.
Apply.
Item 39, and for a respondent matter.
39.
Yes. We keep the bearer's commandment. Court is time between the file. Interim order.
Item 39 on the request made by Mr. S. Kennedy, counsel for the respondent, stand referred. Be listed after 4 weeks. Enabling the instructions. Anyone for the petitioner?
I am for the petition.
Your name?
Mr. Talukdar.
Mr. B.J. Talukdar.
And I district bearer's commandment.
Interim order pending. Passed earlier, we will continue. The next returnable date. 4 weeks time to file see instructions. Is this matter again on 22nd of May.
22nd.
With respect to item 21, I need some more time to file my PDP. I've taken the container of the other side.
21 on the request made by Mr. N. Upadhyay, appearing to the respondent, stands referred for a
Sir.
date. Hey, let it come after 3 weeks. Let it file. If it was not, you make a mention.
Okay. All right.
Please, I'd like to mention for listing of the one urgent matter. Hard.
Urgent matter for what?
It is it's on 16 matter you are talking.
No. What for? What
Regarding
admission?
compulsory appointment matter.
Admission matter.
Admission.
Admission matter.
Right.
23rd will not
Fine.
be there. We can give you on
Third
20,
day you are
28th or 30. Have it on 30, 30. 30. 30. Yes. Yes.
I like to mention for withdrawal, my lord.
Tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship, my lord? Well, I'd like to mention one matter, my lord. This is IA, which has been filed in number 1191, my lord. The urgency is that to be listed on, my lord, 24/4/26, my lord. Already WPC is by court order. There is a court order, implicit petition.
You want an IA to be listed.
Yes, my lord.
Writ petition is fixed on which day?
My lord, writ petition is fixed on 3 weeks later, already fixed by lordship. So this implicit petition is there, my lord.
So let it come on Wednesday, 22nd.
22nd, no, my lord. I will not be here in Gauhati, my lord. 23rd, my lord.
Not 23rd. We want it on 24th. Let it go.
My lord, with all respect, my lord. Much obliged.
26 on the request of counsel. Kavi Anglong Autonomous Council stand referred for 3 weeks. Submitted that the counsel has also.
I would like to mention, my lord, item 19. This case, my lord, similar issue is pending before the division bench. Taken after 2 weeks.
Is submitted by the counsel petition that the similar issue is pending before the division bench of the school. That will be listed after 4 weeks. Counsel for petitioner will apprise the court as to the status of the appeal of the next returnable date.
But please, I take to the item number 24. So, kindly, adjournment for that paper. Second question.
You are for petitioner.
I'm for it.
Item 24 on joint request and adjourn to be listed after 3 weeks.
Hello. Wait, please. The consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 23. Are we talking out of state? Yes, some person.
Item 20. This made on behalf of the stand but still after 3 weeks.
Maybe his lordship purchase with the consent of the other side. I'd like to mention item number 38.
Okay, I have the picture yellow. Actually, but, they have to file their affidavit, lordship. And for a date, your lordship.
Let him complete his prayer. You're not even allowed. I thought you will object for
No,
the
no, no, I'm
adjournment.
not objecting.
Yes.
Lordship will need the instructions. We've already communicated.
How much time?
Lordship may give it 2 weeks time.
38 on the request made by Mr. M. B. Health Department, stand before the list of the weeks. Mr. D. J. Das, Council Commissioner, submits. There is some interim order.
There is no interim order. That's fine.
Submits that there is, since there is no interim order, matter be listed on fixed date.
12,
List again on
12, 12 of
12.
In the meantime, lordship, we seek to file a reply, lordship, we can file also.
14th of May.
Lordship,
Can it be 12, your lordship?
Not 12, not 12.
And then on 13th, your lordship,
Not 13th already. 13th of May.
13th. Also,
Lordship,
wait, please, lordship, wait for, like to mention for listing for repetition for the second of April. It is regarding family pension.
When did you file it?
So we are for the respondent. We file now affidavit in opposition
Okay. For admission.
for admission. Deeply obliged.
may please the lordship.
With the consent of others, I have mention item number 40. Lordship, in this matter, we have to file a reply affidavit.
40.
40.
Reply
May
affidavit.
be granted.
Item 40 on the request made on behalf of the council for stand deferred. Listed after 3 weeks, enabling the council to file a reply affidavit. One. The request of Mr. Your name?
Yes, Muldawan for parts.
A. Mullah. On behalf of
Mr. Aris.
R. Islam. You are for the petitioner. Matter stand deferred to be listed after 3 weeks.
Content for the side, I beg to mention item. It's a survey.
Interim order.
Item 36. The request made by the council for petition stands deferred. Be listed on 22nd of May. Interim order, then be extended. If any, shall stand extended till the next legal session. The rest
What's the other purpose? Affecting item 17, my lord, we have to file an affidavit, but listing.
Item
that-
17 on the request made by the council. Stands deferred. Enabling him to file an affidavit.
Obligation.
May please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 43.
48. For the petitioner.
To respond. I am on behalf of any man husband.
On the request made on behalf of the respondents, animal husbandry in the department, matter stand deferred to the department. Submitted with the consent of the council to the petitioner as well. Yes, the board.
Therefore, listing. Part of it.
Part heard matter,
Yes, sir.
28. Or 30. 30.
Time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Extended.
Item 50 on the request made on behalf of the CGC, matter stands deferred to be listed after weeks. Council for the petitioner is
Some person
behalf of whom? Petitioner. Petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner hears, expresses personal difficulty on behalf of the counsel for the arguing counsel for the set of opinion. Matters then referred to be listed after 1 week.
Can I mention item number 28 of court number 17 for admission?
17. Court 17.
Petitioner was a CRPF constable. He was removed from service in the year 2024.
No, there is some confusion. Which court item matter you are mentioning?
Uh,
Item number
28,
of
court number 17.
court number 17 is not delegated to this court.
I think Arjun Mehta may be mentioned because
No.
hearing list.
No. You are referring to Justice P.J. Soikia. We share the same surname.
I beg to mention item number 43. Here, my lord, today I have filed the affidavit in reply. That is not on record. May be taken up after a week, my lord.
43.
Item 43.
You are for the respondent.
I am for the petitioner.
Petitioner. Item 43. The counsel for the respondent submits that an affidavit has been filed, which however is not connected to the report. Is submitted that the matter be taken up next week. You are for the petitioner.
I am petitioner. I filed the affidavit in reply, my lord.
All right. Counsel for the petitioner will file the affidavit. Yes. M. Devi appears for the respondent. Respondent number 5. Matters be listed after 1 week.
After a week, my lord.
After 1 week.
There is an interim order.
Matter be listed again on 4th of May.
Court of
In order, first earlier, if any, will continue in the next week.
Authorised.
Item number 7. Appeal. Police matter, Lord, sir. Filed an appeal, Lord.
What has happened?
That case, Lord, the delay has been condoned and appeal is fixed for admission on 21/7.
It's submitted that an appeal has been filed in the matter. The appeal number or the number
Appeal not yet numbered.
where the delay has been condoned and the matter is for admission on
Fixed
which
for admission on 21/7. Not in this case, Lordship, similar matter.
21/4.
21/7.
7.
Yes.
21/7. Submitted that question before the urged is similar to the one raised before this court. Submitted the matter to be taken up after agreed. This matter be listed again. The court before like 20%.
Regard to the court number 17, a notice was issued whereas urgent matters could be mentioned before this court.
Sorry, the notice is not placed before me.
Item number 10 of court number 17.
Okay. Item number
10 of court number 17.
Court number 17. What is your prayer?
We are for the respondent, your lordship. The matter was referred today and we have submit some quotations that are relevant for the matter. So the matter will be fixed.
Fine. You want the matter to be taken up?
On second week of May,
Who's for the other side?
the petitioner we are not able to contact her. The matter was referred today. Since date was fixed, we are just seeking for.
Wait for some time. Let the post list be there, all four. Wait for some time. At the end of this list, you renew your mention. You're mentioning. Yes.
Your lordship, have to request for adjournment.
44. It's very doubtful. Stands. Deferred. 44. 44. Okay. Then deferred to be listed. You are for the petitioner. Listed after 2 weeks.
I'm appearing for Respondent number 7.
Mr. A. Bolu, I appeal for respondent number 7.
Public.
Yes. One. Yes.
Can you allow for some time?
Allow some time.
Sir.
You are praying for an adjournment.
Time.
Time being. Any instructions?
Last occasion, the instruction was sought from the finance department whether a communication was made to treasury or not, because they have submitted that that GIS that is claimed in this petition is already sanctioned. So that instruction was sought from the finance department. Okay. Otherwise, on our part,
Bring it on Wednesday.
but
List on Wednesday, 22nd. Enabling the standing council to complete the instructions.
and then public.
So, go like a kubu. Yes, yes. We were not informed, sorry. Court was not informed that the matter.
Yes, 28 number. Code of
28, you want to do the matter or you don't want to do?
That may be next week. Next week means
It will
Monday.
get deferred anyway. Why are you making a mention?
Oh.
Some interim order is there.
Then I'll do.
Huh?
I'll do today itself.
All right. Hold on. After the end of this list.
Lordship, we just want to fix it.
Same matter.
No, not Lordship, for item number.
I
10.
will call up after the end of the list. Where's item 1, anyone? Third council for participation. Steps on.
But this matter has come for motion. Lordship may take up the matter for admission. Anything.
You want to file a rejoinder?
Reply has been filed.
Already. Your file.
Yes.
When did you file?
Around 6th.
6th of April. It is not connected. So we take it up for admission. Heard. Mr. G. N. Saiwala and City Council assisted by Mr. N. Saiwala. For the petitioner, Mr. D. Nath and City Government Advocate. State. State has already filed an affidavit on 30 March 26. The petitioners have also filed their rejoinder affidavit on 6th of April. So the said affidavit, however, is not connected to the case report. Registry to trace out the said affidavit and they are connected to the case report by the next week. Since the pleadings are done within 1 week. Next again on You can have it on 30
30, whether the 30,
or 29.
whether in that case, whether the 6th, you'll assume the 6th.
5th. 5th of May. 5th of May. Okay.
My lord, as per last order dated 18 March 2026, the respondent was directed to produce the regular.
Yes. Have you got it?
Lordship, but from telephonic instructions, I've been told that the regular payment has been done, the petitioners.
Have you not shown them a copy of this order? They have to just show that the amount is been sent. They are not paying in cash.
No, Lordship, like check or something.
Then why can't they give that information?
Lordship, can it come on 30th?
It's not 30. Sorry. 27?
My lord,
27? It's not 27. Can you get it tomorrow? A day after? 22nd.
Can it be on Friday?
Yes. Friday will be convenient.
As requested by the council to respond.
Last one, it was fixed for further instructions, Lordship. May I pay for an accommodation for 10 days time?
Unrepresented.
Sir,
Sir, NR Sharma. The hearing will be see for further 10 days time.
there was a status quo order.
The interim order passed early. Next week. On appeals to the petitioner, matter stands passed over for the day.
The last occasion, the council of the GAD was asked to obtain instructions with regard to the appeal, status of the appeal.
That's a very not a proper excuse because the matter is fixed in his presence. Let's call up after some time. Fine. None appears for the petitioner. As per laws in the order dated 25/11/25, steps having been found not to be taken, further time was granted. However, no steps was taken. RDB, the CPC appears to be respondent. Only for the end of justice, matter stands referred to be listed after 1 week.
Lovely.
Because listed at our instance, also may fix on a hearing date for admission.
Why? What is there? What is the issue about?
Issue is there, Lordship, the person has been working since 98 as a sweeper at the bank. And there is a scheme under the bank for which there is a scheme for absorption. His name was referred following that scheme. It was called for from the respective branches, Lordship.
Have the meetings been completed?
Completed.
All right, request of the council for the petitioner, matter will be listed for orders today. Since the meetings are complete, matter be listed for admission in the month of May.
Lordship, 2018, but the Lordship fix a date. Date.
22nd May.
We have filed the affidavit in opposition, my lord, for respondent 1 and 2, my lord. Yeah, in this case.
Steps upon respondent number 3 have been completed. That
As per office note dated 25/11/25, steps on respondent. Anyone for respondent 3?
I think Union of India, my lord.
Union of India. Respondent 3?
Union of India.
CDC can take notice?
Yes.
Any CDC here? But however, notices none represents. Stop. At the request of the court, Mr. Odikari, that is CDC. Behalf of respondent number 3. Services on the respondents are therefore complete. Thus, it is for respondent number
1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2.
And filed the affidavit.
And he submits that the affidavit has been filed. Have you filed your rejoinder? Counsel for the petitioner, please put 3 weeks time to file rejoinder. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, the respondent 3 may also complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit if so advised. The counsel for the petitioner will furnish extra copies to respondent number.
My lord, obliged.
As per last law order that 792 service upon respondent number 6 has been his team to complete. That was my court order 792. Service of notice upon number 6 is team to complete.
Thereafter, you were supposed to file some
My lord.
reply.
Reply, my lord.
Have you filed it?
Not yet, lord. Yet to file.
You want to file? As far back as 27/9/2022, those in the court passed an order. That service on respondent number 6 has been completed in terms of particular available. However, none represents the respondent number 6. Counsel for the petitioner is permitted 2 weeks time to file. State afterwards.
I got the respondents have not so far made a affidavit in position. If they are not interested to file it,
As per order dated 3/0/2025, service on as per court, as per laws in the court order dated 3/0/2025. Service on respondent number 8, 9, 10. Anyone for 8, 9, 10? 8, 9, 10? Private respondents. However, none represents the respondents. Other respondents, have you filed?
Will be filing it.
Mr. Decca, you want to take fresh service by Dusty on the other respondents?
So whether I have filed all the notices to all the respondents. Right, these are not issues, I do understand.
All right. State respondents, namely PTC authorities and Forest Department, sorry, PHD, are permitted 2 weeks' time to complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit. Matter be listed thereafter. After 2 weeks.
Please, Your Honor, as per the Lava Sabha Court's order dated 19/11/2025, the service upon respondent number 5 is deemed to be completed, Your Honor, as it bore the signature of the respondent number 5 on the ID card, Your Honor.
As per the Lava Sabha Court order dated 19/11/25, service on respondent 5 stands complete. However, none appears to be respondent 5. Respondents 1 to 4 have also filed their affidavit. Want to file your reply?
Affidavit from the respondent number 2 is required, Lord.
As Bhattacharya, I've been hearing for
The director is required.
respondent number 2 submits that she'd like to complete her instructions and
Got it.
file necessary affidavit. Accordingly, matter stands deferred to be listed after 4 weeks.
Pray for it.
No, let them file it. After that, you make a mention. Succeeding. Mr. T.S. Dekha appears for the petition.
Much obliged.
Respondent number 3 has filed the affidavit. Then I received the copy today. On service upon the respondent number 2, there is no report. And take fresh steps upon the respondent number 2. And one more something, since respondent number 1 is a partnership form and a partner, the managing partner has appeared, service may be deemed to have been complete on behalf of respondent number 1 by the respondent number 3.
You are representing whom? Who are you representing?
I'm from the respondent number
3. Yes. You are one of the partners.
Yes, sir. There are only 2 partners, respondent number 2 and 3 are the partners.
Take steps, fresh steps, or you want to take Dusty, you can take Dusty.
That's I think. For respondent number 1, for respondent number 2, they usually.
Counsel for the prisoner submits that you'd like to take fresh steps on respondent number 1 and 2. Submits that you'd like to take fresh steps by way of Dusty on respondent 1 and service by course, service by speed post on respondent number 2. Remand is allowed. So file, take Dusty service on respondent 1. And thereafter file affidavit of compliance. So, on respondent number 2 steps, fresh step be taken by speed post. That is exercise we carried out within 2 weeks. So, 3. Yes, sir. Want to file any objections? No.
Already filed.
You file. Then today. file their objections today. Copies of which have been served. Registry to trace out the objection file and connect it to the case report and list the matter after 4 weeks. Meanwhile, the petitioner is also at liberty to file a reply to the objections filed by the respondent. So first you take steps to complete it. Then effective date can be given.
Appointment of arbitrator,
But you are taking steps,
my lord,
unless it is complete. What is the point in taking? Fixing a
please,
date? It pertains to personal form.
Your Lordship, I am here on behalf of Standing Council of Animal as well as Veterinary Department. If you state that it is not able to come in the honor. Time to file our affidavit.
How much time? 3 weeks. Standing down. Made the law and stuff.
Matter has become fructuous in view of the fact that prior to the filing of this arbitration petition, the respondents herein had approached the Telangana High Court prior to the filing of this petition by the petitioner. Thereafter, the petitioner entered into appearance. Thereafter, the court has decided this issue. The arbitrator has been appointed. This is the order.
My lord, I have got the instruction, the petitioner is approaching the Honorable High Supreme Court challenging the order because prima facie, the Honorable is
So then we have nothing to do here. Let the Supreme Court decide it first.
yes. So it may be urgent for some time. We will inquire about the status of the.
So there are saying a case. Mr.
NR Sharma.
N.R. Sharma. Where is that order? High Court. Being arbitration application number 101 of the right, 042. Cited by the Telangana High Court. Then the other end submits that. After 4 weeks. Right. The status of the SLC proposed to be filed by the. Accordingly, this matter again after 6 weeks. Yes. Affidavit filed.
No.
Huh? Huh?
Affidavit is not filed.
Regarding the provisional pension, Lordship, we have the instructions that
Look, I haven't seen the order, 300126. Last order, last to last order. You've not seen the order. Have a look at the order, error number 4. Seen para 4?
Lordship,
What do you have to say?
file it then. Next time, Lordship.
Item number 27, right, Mr. Bose is permitted 1 week's time. 1 week's time to file the affidavit. We have the respondent as have been directed by the court by the order. After, just after 2 weeks. Subsequent matters, right? Matter was referred to dated 28/1/2026 that the mediation has failed. The matter has been placed before the court. Accordingly, this matter be listed after Dharma for accounting item number 27. Why these matters are connected?
One has been challenged, in one, Shokos has been challenged.
Huh?
In one matter, the Shokos has been challenged along with seeking for pension. And the earlier one of 2023 or 24, that he is seeking for pension.
Same petitioner.
Yes.
These matters together after. And before. May.
Chief, in this case, the affidavit is in progress. I pray for a week's time. Needs to be written. Fine.
Mr. Ghosh, the counsel for the
Yes.
PNRD, submit step further 1 week's time being granted to file the affidavit. 1 week you can file it.
Okay.
The date will be time be granted to file the affidavit. Mr. Mena, let this matter be listed again after 2 weeks on 15th of May. 15th of May.
Right.
On the suspension since 2024, my lord. The last occasion on 25th of March, my lord, time was 2 weeks time was granted as they submitted the instruction received. But till date, no affidavit is not been filed.
Please, Lordship, by order dated 27/2/2026, we are asked to bring the documents regarding Shoko's notice served upon the petition. Lordship, that one we want to bring it by way of an affidavit. So
When are you bringing it by way of an affidavit?
Lordship, kindly another 2 weeks will be granted.
He's under suspension 2024, my lord, it was revoked. He was reinstated on the next day he was put under suspension, my lord. On the last,
We have
my lord,
already
the first
put in
affidavit, my lord,
affidavit,
affidavit was
Lordship.
filed, my lord, after cost was imposed.
Affidavit.
Now, my lord, they're again taking time, my lord, every day, my lord. they're
Lordship, our affidavit filed in the item number 31. So item number 30.
Only thing, my lord, they have to show, my lord,
What is the difference? It's filed by the same person.
Same
Yes,
person. What
Lordship.
happened was initially when we made a change
Lordship,
in principles on the
actually,
court
it's
after
infractional.
reinstatement.
In-
Then
I
they
think
again say that we have been put under suspension, show cause notice of the issues. No, we did not receive that. So therefore we challenge them saying that show cause notice has not been issued. And secondly, my lord, the show cause is with regard to the charge against the criminal case, my lord. In that case, I have already been acquitted, my lord. In fact, the charges have become redundant. But yet, my lord,
You are filing item, this WPC 7044.
Yes, madam.
What
Yes,
are
sir.
your prayers?
Prayers, my lord, is that I have asked for, my lord, the quashing of the show cause as well as the subsequent suspension, my lord. After, my lord, reinstatement, revocation of the earlier suspension, they put me under suspension without, my lord, intimating me.
Second matter?
The second matter, that's correct. Ken. Initially, my lord, I was put under suspension. It was revoked. I paid
This is item number 30.
30, my lord.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
30 Gundo.
30 is, my lord, WPC number
In
3757.
31
3575. 3575.
Subsequent matter, what had happened?
Subsequent, well, since I was reinstated, I paid for salaries. Now, after 2 years, they filed an affidavit, 1.5 year, they filed an affidavit saying that I have been again put under suspension and a show cause notice has been issued. I challenge that in the second proceedings.
This subsequent matter has effectively become infructuous.
For first matter has become effective in
That is 353575.
yes, but the cost was imposed there, my lord. They
Actually,
want
we
to,
have filed an
because
IA
they
on
did not
that.
file the affidavit in time. So they filed IA formula,
But they have not
recalling that order. Cost.
They have not
And my lord, so far as this second petition is concerned, my lord, in the first petition, they have taken the stand that I was put under suspension again, and a show cause notice has been issued again. And I've challenged.
WPC 3575. Right. Number.
By 31.
Had prayed for.
That was basically for salaries, man.
Seeking a direction to pay the regular salary.
Yes.
The writ petitioner and also the salary. The affidavit which was filed by the respondent, it was revealed that petitioner has again been put under suspension and therefore his salary, current salary, has not been released. The petitioner thereafter filed WPC 7044, whereby he has prayed for setting aside of the show cause notice, as also seeking a direction for release of his earlier salary. In view of the subsequent petition being filed, where similar issues have also been, where the question of release of his salary will also be an issue required to be addressed by the court. WPC 575 of 2024 has become infructuous in view of subsequent petition being WPC 7044 of 2025.
My prayer will not let that matter may not be closed at this stage.
Why?
Because, my lord, the affidavit also we have taken a stand there, my lord. And my lord, there was a cost imposed on them, my lord.
No, that you are making the same prayer for the writ petition.
But then, my lord, yes, true, man. But then what happened, my lord, in the earlier petition, well, that stand they had taken, my lord, in the form of an affidavit. Our case is that they never communicated these orders to us. So that stand may also be relevant here.
That you refer it in the writ petition.
Right.
Subsequently. Accordingly, writ petition stand dismissed. Is not pressed. Then stand vacated. Now, what have you filed?
So I'm time.
We are already closing this petition. Where is the
So
question
not
of giving you?
in item 30,
Give us the number. So it's
7044.
7044.
Yes.
Okay. This writ petition stand disposed of. Yes, 7044. What are you filing?
Lordship, by order dated 27/2/2026, were asked, sir, bring the documents serving the show cause notice upon the petitioner.
Yes.
So that when we want to bring it by way of an affidavit.
Right.
Lordship.
But can you fix a date? That's this 2024 has been under suspension. And for no charge at all. The charges become redundant.
You are receiving your subsistence allowance.
No, man. Subsidy 50%. 50%.
Respondents KEAC is permitted to file their affidavit in Please come. Any matter of the case. Or you're appearing in the matter. Mr. Raj, or you to submit. Mr. M. Doctor, it is to the- this matter again. On 15th of May. 15 May.
Okay.
Timely. Any ties with any self business.
After long 21 years of service, the petitioner has been terminated without any inquiry, without any show cause. They have not yet
Reading
filed
complete.
reply.
Leadings are
No,
complete.
Lordship,
No,
I have been requested by the Ministry of Law and Justice to appear for the respondents 2 to 5. So I have communicated, Lordship, I have not received response as of date, but they would be the contesting parties.
5.
2 to 5. Therefore, I would be praying for some more time, Lordship. One last opportunity.
Appearing for the private respondents.
And for one.
Appearing for one.
For 7, one SU Ahmed is appearing. For 6, 6 is otherwise by designation also there.
This is my name.
By name, he is not represented.
6 is the director by name.
Yes.
Who represents 6?
6, nobody has appeared. Service is complete for all. 6
In
You
fact,
can represent.
six-
you can
6
represent-
and same, but 6
and
is my
4 same.
name.
Okay. Article Chaudhary, that is the respondent. 5. And Mr. B. Chakraborty for respondent number 1. Mr. Chakraborty submits that instructions are still awaited. Chakraborty submits that instructions are still awaited. He prays for 2 weeks.
Let it be a longer time, Lordship.
Prays for further time. Since the matter, since the challenge, the petition needs to be termination order. Termination
Termination, Lordship.
order filed by the petitioner. Let this matter be listed, and the order was passed on
On
which date?
14 May 25.
On 14.
It's
Right.
138, Lordship.
Let this matter be listed again after 3 weeks. By which time the respondents are expected to complete their instruction and find necessary evidence.
Can I fix your
15th May.
of that?
Instructions?
Lordship, instruction not yet received, Lordship. And more so, Lordship, here, this is recruitment, Lordship. The detailed medical examination regarding 2 petitioners were done, one by Assam Rifles and one by SSB. Now, his names were not reflected in the final merit list, but they have not made those departments as a party to the writ petition. So, we are unable to get that instruction, whether they were qualified in the DME or RME or not. That instruction we have to take only from them, but they are not made party. SS
Why can't you ask for the records? Ask for the records that whether these 3 persons are there or not.
unless they were made party.
No, we are not asking you to file an affidavit on their behalf. We are asking you whether the instructions can be
Lordship, I have verbally I have asked, but they unless their name is their lordship, that difficulty is there.
Pass an order. Not necessary to array them without knowing whether they're this has to be decided by the petitioner
Lordship,
initially.
lordship.
So unless there is a specific prayer seeking treatment, without going into the merit, we don't like to impede them.
Lordship.
But we can direct them to furnish. We find that no, their treatment is necessary, we pass over.
The records are with them though. Without feeding them a party, we cannot get the information. Without feeding them a party, lordship, how can we get the information?
Yes.
Lordship, they must, as their notice has been served, they must file an affidavit for their stand.
It's only the SSC is made party. And SSC is
Because the
overall, but
examination was conducted by SSC, the results were declared by SSC, also the medically,
merit list, that part is there, but
medically they were.
You are saying that you are
Declared fit.
rejected by the on medical grounds.
No,
they say they
No.
have not said, they say they had appeared.
We have appeared and we have qualified every
Then
test, but
qualified
in
is
spite of
their
that,
sufficient only.
our roll numbers were not been in the final list. And also the seats were still vacant.
So what is your instruction?
Lordship in item 33.
That as the legal officer were not made party, we cannot say what happened to their
In between, Lordship.
SSC only declared the result because if they are qualified or not, it is by the specific agencies conducted the test. Because in clause 19,
You're given your option for which post?
that was where they have given computer based examination is there, PST, PhD, and then thereafter DAV.
But the commission had conducted
But the nodal office, lordship, in the notification, it was there. Lordship. If lordship come to the notification. Come to page 20.
20. Page 20 of item 30.
Page 1.9. Page 20, 1.9. Court cases, RTA, public grievances relating to conduct of the computer-based examination, preparation of merit list, course allocation of selected candidate, and final result will be handled by the SSC. And the issue relating to the other matters, namely policy relating issues arising in the examination, scheme of the examination, vacancies, conducted of PST, PAT, DME, RME, document verification, etc. will be handled by the MHA or the coordinating of the CAPF. And CRPF is the nodal officer. And there,
No, where is it given that CRPF is?
CRPF is the nodal.
Oh.
That page 1.110 lordship, next paragraph lordship. The regional office concerned the nodal CAP, that is CRPF for update of examination process and down each stages of examination. CRPF is the nodal office. They have even not made the CRPF as a part.
But DME 33 is conducted for 2 person, one
Yes.
by.
Yes, petitioner.
You have told them lordship earlier also.
First year also we have.
You have told them to
Because-
make them a party.
My lordship, because the entire selection process was been completed.
So we have understood that. Please come to page number 20, clause 1.10. There is a specification that the nodal CAPF is CRPF regarding updates on the examination process, etc.
Filed an affidavit for-
Lordship, question of maintainability of the
Oh,
petition.
We
they
get
were-
them.
No, you file it.
Lordship,
You raise this issue
Lordship.
by filing your affidavit.
Okay.
I mean, so and so appears for the writ petition. See, there are two matters.
Yes.
33,
I'm
B. Sharma, 34 SSO. The council's learned CDC submit that the writ petitions are not maintainable for non-joint proper parties, as the nodal agency, namely the CRPF, is not carried as a party respondent, and it is submitted that without CRPF being carried as a party, grounds urged before the court and the orders sought for from this court cannot be granted, as the staff selection commission only conducts the examination, but all the records with regard to the marks obtained and the process by which the examinations are conducted are available within all. Therefore, the relevant reports would be available. Not with HSC. Submission is made. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, enabling the respondents to file their affidavit on the question of maintainability. List after 2 weeks. 3 weeks. All right.
Lordship, I have received a part instruction, Lordship. This instruction from the government is required, Lordship.
Yes. I have been promoted to the post of sub inspector.
You have been.
Yes, sub inspector.
Oh,
Departmental promotion, my lord.
but you have not been allowed to join.
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
not allowed
That's
to
why from government it is required, Lordship.
What?
Because I only have received from the BTAD only.
criminal case, my lord, I was acquitted. Departmental proceeding drop, my lord. Dispose of, my lord. Nothing remained against me.
Mr. G. Ahmed appears for the petitioner and the chairman of the council. Further time,
Yes, Lordship. 3 weeks time, Lordship.
it's time.
2 weeks, my lord.
Instructed.
I am
Council
Hanging.
the petitioner submits that been promoted to the post of sub
sub
inspector,
inspector.
but he is not been allowed to join, and no reasons are forthcoming. Therefore, it's again on 15th of May.
The reason shows that a criminal case pending against, but I am acquitted.
15th of
All right. Was transferred in violation of the Election Commission of India's instructions manual. Protected me manual. Issued manual.
Therefore, Council for the Education Department pays for the time to come. Yes, Protecting CI Mr. D. Bora Ford. Respondent. Matter stand paper to be listed after how much time? 3 weeks. It's this matter again after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, you can order faster. Yeah. Yes, what instructions have you got?
Lordship, in this matter, see, oral instruction at the moment, my lord, I could not get obtain my full instruction, but the thing is that, my lord, if the Lordship comes to page 48 of the writ petition, my lord, page 48, that is section 13, that is the representation which has been submitted to the Commissioner and Secretary, my lord. They have told us that, my lord, they have not received any appeal, my lord. Because, my lord, this particular representation was actually submitted to the District Commissioner, Kachar. The Lordship sees
So proper channel was submitted.
Through the district commission.
what has happened, my lord, we have not received it.
Right, Mr. A. Kuban Standing Council CAT submits on oral instructions that the file will be 9/2026. 7. How it can be received on 7/2?
Actually, the date was, that's not corrected. But
Uh,
it was actually, it ought to have been 7/2.
I don't know.
Which was
Actually,
actually,
who have been received. The office of
26.
district
Yeah.
commissioner. The district commissioner has not, copies thereof are not available. Assistant Secretary. Yes. The career, learned German advocate, will obtain instructions whether stated to have been filed by the petitioner through the office of District Commissioner Kachar Signature has been received by the said office and forwarded to the office of the Commissioner and Secretary. Every instructions will be placed before the court again after 2 weeks. Just accordingly.
we'll say that preferred date, so it doesn't matter.
15th May.
Lordship, kindly only one copy, Lordship, to communicate with to all
The copies of the writ petition.
only one copy.
The counsel for petitioner will ensure service of extra copies of the journal standing counsel during the course of the day. Course of the day.
Lordship.
Okay.
Got from the ED Lordship. So
Regarding-
kindly be given to get our instruction.
Counsel for the accountant general waits for further time. From the instructions. Name?
He has some.
I don't. After how much time you require? Be listed after 2 weeks. Mr. Bora, it is for respondent number.
Arbitration petition.
Yes.
Appointment of for arbitration.
Any objections?
Well, in item 46, I'm appearing, well, in our affidavit, we have taken a specific plea in para 18, page 118 of my affidavit, that there is BCC 71. So, that is regarding, conciliation. So, whether what value of the work is 10 crore or more, well, it has to go to this DRB, Dispute Resolution Board, and where the value of the work is less than 10 crore, it has to go to sole conciliator. Only after that, after exhaustion of 71, he can invoke clause 70. That is what we have taken it legal. And in his reply,
Pleadings are complete here.
yes, pleadings are complete.
Right, this is matter for admission hearing on 30.
Obliged.
Matter.
What done?
Any affidavit file? Respondent 6 is a permanent resident. Now, we're supposed to bring it on affidavit. Have you filed the affidavit?
I have filed a long time back.
No, the state respondent.
State is not filed. 5 was supposed to file it.
The state. It's fine. Have the information with regard to permanency of the response proceedings. The social welfare.
Can you peruse the order dated 17/3/26? There a DC has submitted a report by which just got on record.
Five, Your Lordship.
See, for the DC. So, by earlier order, it's 17/3/26. Respondent 5, the C, someone who was supposed to file an affidavit. Assistant Commissioner. Take that private respondent number 6 was a permanent resident of council submits that the brief has been displaced. Seeks further time to reconstruct the brief. Thereafter file the evidence. Stay.
On NN. On behalf of Mr. NN,
Yes, on behalf of Mr. Devan Vaidai, Mr. Alia, Mr. N.R. Sharma for respondent number PL4. This matter again after 3 months. For a file the affidavit as directed to be filed by the court earlier. It's on 18th of May. April. Matter meetings are complete also. Matter for exception. For hearing also. So now this proposals submitted to the complete. Hearing month of June. Need also. Service also. Having a hearing this for June.
Public.
See. What is your prayer?
Our prayer is just for a fixed date, Your Lordship. Since the matter was deferred, it was earlier also fixed on 10th April, Your Lordship, but that day was also declared as a holiday. And then it came up today, and since it was deferred, we just are praying for a fixed date.
Who's for the petitioner? You are appearing for?
Respondent number 5, ASID.
ASID. None represents the counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
A. Mishra on behalf of Mr. Estas.
A. Mishra appears on behalf of Mr. S. Das for ASIDC. You submitted that the matter be listed Pleadings are complete here.
Yes, Your Lordship, a report has to be submitted.
Pleadings are complete in the matter. The matter being listed in on 4th of May. 4th of May. I'm deeply complained. Yes.
My lord.
Pleadings are complete here. Pleadings are complete.
Service are complete and affidavit also filed by the respondent.
What is
And
your
I also filed a reply to the of affidavit.
matter of dismissal?
Matter of dismissal from service.
Who's for the respondent? Who's for the respondent?
Then this is central government.
Central government.
Central government.
Mr. Chaudhary, your name is
Lordship, I am a permanent resident of Sirang district, Assam, and I was appointed and joined in Assam. That is 9 mile CRP.
No, unless when is your order of dismissal?
17/2024.
Page number?
Page number, Lordships. On the allegation made by his wife, that is the bigamy.
But the absence of the respondent counsel, how to proceed for the hearing?
Thus, is
Have you informed the other side? Have you informed the respondent counsel?
no,
Then you have to inform.
I thought that he will come.
Will not come. The matter belonging to a different court. Item number.
The preliminary inquiry hearing required for maintainability. He was removed from.
We'll take up the matter on a proper date. The matter is listed by the notification numbers. However, none represents respondent, respondent counsel, respondent department. So it challenges the dismissal of the petitioner from his services as what? CRPF.
From CRPF. By the commandant of
As
124 Battalion CRPF, Agartala.
Go 124 Battalion. Serving in Agartala.
Appeal residential revision were dismissed.
Matter be listed by the registry showing the names of CC. This is item number
28.
28. They begin on 27th. 27th is a Monday.
Monday.
20,
Today also Monday.
28th.
29.
No. If you want a hearing in the matter has to be heard. So 28 or
Next.
28th.
I have.
All right, then 30th of April.
One thing, non-AP for the respondent may not be recorded because he was not informed. Otherwise, I think Mr. Chaudhary was here earlier.
Right, that the council is barely submitted that he did not done at CBC, done at BSBI, that he mentioned this matter pertaining to court numbers as per